Hi guys, Lori here on Vancouver Island, and we are pouring some paint again. Thank you for stopping by today. I do. Makes me happy to know that you're here and hanging out, watching me pour some paint. And please leave a comment if you can. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love that. So today what I'm going to do is I've got my black base and I'm going to try to make fire. I've got some fluorescents. I've got a fluorescent red, fluorescent orange, and a fluorescent yellow, and I'm just going to do like a squiggle all over the place and then blow it out with my combination of my blow dryer and my little mini air blower. And we're going to see what happens. So, again, thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here. I hope that you're well and safe and staying home and away from all the ugliness. And if you do have to be out there, I'm praying for your safety. Anyway, let's pour some paint. So, do you see how my colors have just been completely sucked up by that black? I'm going to grab my blow dryer and blow it out. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. Keep your fingers crossed. Well, it's definitely not looking like fire. I'm getting like greens and gosh, purples, and I'm not seeing any blue, but I need to add more color, and I'm just going to keep messing with it. Now that it's no longer going to be a fire, I wonder if maybe I just need to do reds and yellows sometime to do a fire. I'll have to do some more research. If you guys have done a fire effect, please leave in the comments what colors you use to get fire and what you found was the best background for that. Anyway, I'm going to keep playing with this until it becomes something that I love. So, wish me luck. That's better. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it now. I might tilt it a little bit and I'm going to play with the edges a little, but oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous. Hang on a minute and I'll bring you down for a close-up. So, oh my gosh, will you look at this? I think it looks like some kind of a space nebula or something. I'm not really into the sci-fi stuff, but that's kind of what it looks like to me. The colors are really, really cool. This was a super fast pour though, so I'm going to do another one tonight. I'm going to use I'm going to use those colors this time. I've got the fluorescent pink, the fluorescent blue, and the fluorescent green, and I'm going to use those and do basically the same thing on another black background, so stay tuned. Well, actually, through the camera, these look quite stunning. But in real life, the colors are really muted. Maybe it's where I have them. That looks super cool, right? Through the camera. So maybe I need to take them out into the light to see if I can get a better. But right now, looking at them, they look really, really dark to me. Once I put the camera on them, you can see the colors better and the patterns. It's funny how I use completely different colors, but they do look quite similar. Anyway, let me know what you think. I'm not sure because, like I said, they don't. If you see the one on the left-hand side and you see the bottom right corner of that, that's kind of how they actually look. Really muted and dark like that. So, yeah, I'm not sure I'm in love with them. I am in love with them through this camera, but not in love with them in real life. I don't know. I'll let you know. I'll take them outside and we'll see what happens. It's kind of a cloudy, gloomy day, but before I pour over them, I will take them and look at them in another light and maybe get a couple other opinions. If you have any thoughts on these, please leave it in the comments and let me know what you think. I think part of the problem was that my fluorescent paints were too thin, and my black paint just ate them up. So I either need to thin down my black paint or I need to thicken up my my fluorescents. So anyway, we may try this again. I hope you guys are doing okay in quarantine. I hope you're staying safe and staying healthy. Take care of yourself. Bye now.